I'm going to show you exactly how my friend Marcus won over $500,000 in scholarships, including a full ride to the University of Southern California for both his undergraduate and master's degrees. He also helped our friends and myself win hundreds of thousands more in scholarships. So, if you want to know what it takes to win scholarships, this video is for you. Plus, if you are seriously committed to college success and want way more scholarship tips, plus ways to save time, money, and stress, get our book, How to Hack College. The link is in the caption. Before you spend your valuable time watching this video, let me tell you the cold, hard truth. Most scholarships go to students who fall into a few key categories, and I'll show you exactly what those are in just a minute. If what I described doesn't sound like you, don't waste your time applying right now. Instead, you'll benefit far more from focusing on improving your grades, building a clear plan for your future, and getting a part-time job to save money and gain experience. That said, even if you don't win a single scholarship, the process of applying itself is incredibly valuable. You'll dramatically improve your writing and communication skills that will help you succeed in college and your career. Even more importantly, you'll learn how to tell your story, how to clearly express who you are, what you stand for, and what you want from this one amazing life. Now, here are the main categories of scholarship winners. Merit-based. These people have strong academic or extracurricular performance in areas like sports, school, or music. Need-based. Students from financially or personally challenging backgrounds. Community service-based. Students who've made a real effort to serve others in the community. Field-specific scholarships. Students pursuing specific majors, trades, or career paths. For instance, STEM. Diversity scholarships. Organizations that prioritize students from diverse backgrounds or those who have faced unique challenges. If you fall into one or more of these categories, your odds of winning are much higher, sometimes dramatically higher than many other applicants. So take advantage of that. Step 1. Find the right scholarships for you. Start with your school scholarships. Go to your college's financial aid website or the websites of the schools you're applying to and look for scholarships you can earn automatically based on your GPA, ACT, or SAT scores. For example, when I increased my ACT score from 25 to 29, the University of Tampa discounted my tuition by over $10,000. That's a massive savings for just a little extra study time. So do this first. It's the easiest way to save a ton of money. Next, check whether your school offers additional programs or discounts that can help you cut costs even more. And don't forget to fill out the FAFSA. Many scholarship programs require it just to qualify. If you're confused like many people about the FAFSA, our book, How to Hack College, simplifies the process and has helped a ton of students like you figure it out. Step 2. Tap into local opportunities. Talk to your high school guidance counselor, friends, and family to see if they know about any local scholarships you can apply for. Some scholarships are offered just for your school or through local businesses, community organizations, or even companies that employ your parents or relatives. These local scholarships often have far fewer applicants, so your odds of winning are much higher. Sometimes even 1 in 10 instead of 1 in 10,000. Step 3. Use legitimate scholarship websites. Once you've looked locally, go online, but stick to trusted websites like scholarships.com, FastWeb, Going Merry, and bold.org. Instead of wasting time applying to hundreds of random scholarships, focus on the ones that actually fit you. Look for scholarships that match your career field, background, financial situation, passions, and hobbies. The more specific the scholarship, the fewer people apply, which means your odds of winning go way up. Apply locally before applying nationally. You'll have far less competition, and you can go after the bigger ones later. Now we're going to talk about how to write a winning essay. The single most critical thing required to win? Following scholarship instructions exactly. It sounds simple, but it's where most people fail. Before applying, carefully read all the requirements. Make sure you qualify, and then make a checklist to confirm you've included everything. Essays, transcripts, recommendations, and signatures before you hit the submit button. Even a perfect essay won't matter if you miss one small step. Writing the essay itself. Instead of writing a generic story about needing money, tell a personal story and a powerful one that makes readers feel why they should help you. Share something meaningful about your journey, your challenges, or what drives you, and connect it back to your goals and community impact. Take some time to work with teachers, counselors, or mentors to strengthen your essay. Then edit it carefully to make sure it's clear, strong, and free of mistakes. Avoid cliches. Be original and different so you stand out. A great essay doesn't just describe your need. It shows your character, values, determination, and plan for the future. That's what makes you unforgettable. Here's a quick example. I want to go to college because I need a degree to be successful. Not going to be that great. Here's a better one. Growing up, I watched my mom work 2 jobs to support our family of 5. Seeing her struggle inspired me to study finance so I can help families like mine plan for a much better future. Make it personal, unique, and memorable. Apply to lots of scholarships. You won't win every scholarship, so the key is volume. Aim to apply for at least 10 to 20 scholarships per month. The more you apply for, the higher your chances of winning. Get strong recommendation letters. A great recommendation letter can set you apart. Ask someone who knows you well, a teacher, coach, employer, or community leader. This is why your reputation matters so much. The more helpful, hardworking, honest, and kind you are, the more people will want to support you and help you reach your goals. Give people plenty of notice, ideally a few months, but at least 2 weeks when asking for a letter of recommendation. Also, provide a short list of your achievements and goals so your recommender can write something specific and powerful on your behalf. Bonus tips. Start applying early, even in freshman year. Reuse essays for multiple applications. Just tweak them slightly and stay organized. Use a spreadsheet to track deadlines and requirements so you don't miss out. We've attached one below that you can use. Winning scholarships takes effort, but it can truly change your life. If you're a young person trying to save money in college, we offer 30-minute life coaching calls to help you get the clarity and direction you need. Also, check out our book, How to Hack College, and visit atlasclass.com for more fantastic resources to help you on your college journey. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more personal development and success tips.